Hello. We've talked about our amazing sun, which is a star, and we know there are billions of other stars out there. But where do all these stars live? Well, today we're going on an even bigger adventure to learn about our giant star city, our home in the universe called the Milky Way galaxy. So, what is a galaxy? Imagine a huge city, but instead of buildings, it's made of stars. And not just a few stars, but millions and even billions of stars. A galaxy is a giant group of stars, along with enormous clouds of gas and dust, all held together by gravity, the same force that keeps you here on Earth. Think of it like this. If our sun is one house, then a galaxy is an entire city full of houses, parks, which are gas clouds, and roads, the space between the stars. It's a massive collection of everything. And guess what? We live in a galaxy. Our sun and our planet Earth are all part of a galaxy called the Milky Way. So every star you see in the night sky with your own eyes is another house in our very own Milky Way star city. Why the funny name Milky Way? Well, on a very dark night, far away from city lights, you can sometimes see a faint, hazy, milky-looking band stretching across the sky. For thousands of years, people thought it looked like a spilled pathway of milk, so they called it the Milky Way. That band is actually the light from billions of stars in our galaxy, all too far away to see as individual points without a telescope. So what does our Milky Way city look like if we could see it from far, far away? Scientists think it's a spiral galaxy. Imagine a giant spinning pinwheel. It has a bright center called the bulge, and then long curving arms spiraling outwards. Our sun and Earth are located in one of these spiral arms, kind of in the suburbs of our galaxy, not right in the busy downtown center. And how big is it? It's huge. So big, it's even hard to imagine. If you could travel at the speed of light, the fastest thing there is, it would still take you 100,000 years to go from one side of the Milky Way to the other. Our sun is just one of hundreds of billions of stars in this giant city. If every star was a grain of sand, the Milky Way would have enough sand to fill a giant playground. Our sun and the whole solar system are constantly moving, orbiting the center of the Milky Way. But our galaxy is so big, it takes us around 230 million years to make just one trip around. The last time Earth was in the same spot in the galaxy, dinosaurs were just starting to roam the Earth. It's a bit tricky to take a picture of the whole Milky Way from the outside because we live inside it. Imagine you're trying to take a picture of your entire house while standing in your living room. You really can't see the whole shape, can you? When we look up and see that milky band, we're looking through a flat part of our galaxy's disk where most of the stars are. It's like looking through the busiest part of our star city from our own backyard. To see it well, you need to be in a very dark place away from city lights on a clear night with no moon. As enormous as our Milky Way galaxy is, it's not the only galaxy in the universe. Not by a long shot. Astronomers have used powerful telescopes, like the Hubble Space Telescope, to look deep into space. And what did they find? Billions and billions of other galaxies. Some are spirals like ours. Some are shaped like giant footballs, called elliptical galaxies, and some are all sorts of wacky, irregular shapes. Each one of these is another giant star city with its own billions of stars. The universe is an incredibly vast and amazing place. So, let's remember our cosmic home is a galaxy full of stars, gas, and dust. We live in the Milky Way galaxy. The galaxy is shaped like a giant spiral pinwheel, and it's incredibly big. We see it as a milky band in the night sky because we're inside that galaxy. And our Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. Thank you for watching.